Imagine waking up every day feeling confident about your financial future. What if you could save $10,000 in just 1 year without a traditional degree? You could use that money for travel, investing, or even starting your own business. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to share side hustles that pay really well, and guess what? You don't need a degree to start. These are simple, powerful strategies that could change your life. By the way, if you're thinking, but I can barely afford my morning coffee, trust me, you're not alone. Keep watching. This is for you. Let's face it, for most of us, saving $10,000 in a year seems like an impossible goal. In a world where inflation's rising and living costs are through the roof, it feels like you're always playing catch-up. You work hard, but somehow, there's never enough at the end of the month. Sound familiar? But what if I told you that you don't have to be stuck in this cycle? You don't have to rely on your 9-to-5 job to reach your financial goals. The truth is, there are side hustles that pay well, and you don't need a college degree or years of experience to start making serious money today. All right, enough of the doom and gloom. Let's dive into what really works. These are side hustles that have helped countless people reach their $10,000 savings goal, and you can start them right now. Let's go. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing. First up, freelance writing. You might be thinking, I'm not a writer. Well, I've got news for you. You don't have to be a pro to get started. There's a huge demand for content on the internet. Blogs, social media posts, product descriptions, you name it. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for fresh, engaging content. Some beginner freelancers are making $500 to $1,000 a month with just a few hours a week. Imagine scaling that up to $2,000, $3,000 a month, and hitting your $10,000 goal in no time. It's doable. Don't worry, I won't make you write Shakespearean sonnets. We're talking blog posts, emails, and social media content. Basic stuff anyone can learn. More on that later. Side hustle number 2, online tutoring. Next up, online tutoring. If you're skilled in math, science, or even languages, tutoring can be incredibly lucrative. Platforms like VIP Kid or Chegg Tutors allow you to work from home. And depending on the subject, you can earn up to $30 an hour. I know you might be saying, but I don't have a teaching degree. Guess what? Most platforms just want someone who's good at explaining things in an easy-to-understand way. It's a skill you can develop quickly, and you don't need to be a certified teacher to start making money. In fact, the average online tutor can earn up to $3,000 a month. Imagine how fast that adds up. Side hustle number 3, dropshipping. Now, let's talk about something that's taken the world by storm. Dropshipping. It's the ultimate hustle for anyone wanting to run a business without upfront inventory costs. You sell products online, but the supplier handles the shipping directly to your customer. Minimal investment, massive potential. With the right products, good marketing, and some persistence, dropshipping can bring in anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a month in profits. Yes, it takes time to scale, but trust me, you can hit that $10,000 savings goal faster than you think. And in today's digital world, there's never been a better time to jump in. Don't worry, I'm not talking about selling rubber ducks on Amazon. Unless that's your thing, no judgment. We're talking about finding high-demand products that people are actually excited to buy. You see, the real question isn't, can you save $10,000 in 1 year? It's how badly do you want to? Because the truth is, we all have the potential to make more money. But most of us are held back by fear. Fear of failure, fear of looking foolish, fear of not knowing enough. But when you push through that fear and take action, that's when the magic happens. Each of these side hustles is a step closer to your goal. Whether it's writing, tutoring, or building your own e-commerce empire, you have the power to change your financial future. Now here's the thing. Time is ticking. If you start today, you can hit your goal in just 1 year. But if you keep waiting, you're just wasting time. The clock's ticking, and every minute you wait is a minute you could be investing in your future. So take action now. Don't worry, you won't need a fancy degree. You just need a willingness to learn, hustle, and make smart decisions. Trust me, you've got this. Don't wait another day to start building the life you want. The path to $10,000 starts now. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make this journey together.